KTM gave me the 790 Duke for a couple of weeks for an extended test. Been really looking forward to riding it. Lots of positive reviews, and from first look it actually looks much better than in the pictures. I've never seen it before, by the way. Today is the first time, especially in this color. I really like it. I'm not a fan of orange, so thankfully I got the black silver one. It's compact. It looks aggressive from the front and the back. Let's see it from the front. Obviously those mirrors are hideous, like every other bike that comes out of the manufacturers. Nice. Now it comes in with all the electronics, unlike the 1290, which you had to buy the track pack and the quick shifter up and down. This one just comes in as standard with all these. At a price point of £8,500, I think it's incredible. Let's set up so I can start her up for you and you can hear her. I'm not going to rev her more than that because the bike has 0 mileage, and when KTM said the bike has 0 mileage, I said, are you sure? Because I'll treat her like I treat all my other bikes, i.e. I run them in hard. They said no problem, just as long as you don't abuse her. And I said I never abuse bikes anyway. Sounds nice. The parallel twin that it has got a 270 degree crank angle, which makes it sound nice. Obviously not like the Nuda with 315 degrees, but wish it had an Acra, but they said it's out of stock, not available yet. Really looking forward to seeing how this one pans out. Oh, before I go, lots of questions saying, is this Nuda 2.0? No idea, time will tell.